I think there's a couple things you can do. One is I would not hire a lawyer based on an advertisement, right? Great ads don't make great lawyers. You want to be doing research, and there's really two main ways you can do it. One is get a recommendation from someone, a recommendation of someone who has actually used that lawyer in the same area of practice that you're looking for. You have a cousin or somebody that had a work injury, used a lawyer, had a good result. That's a good recommendation. You can take that to the bank. The other thing you can do is if you know a lawyer that does not practice or dabble in workers' comp or personal injury or whatever it is you need a recommendation for, ask that lawyer for a recommendation. I have a whole Rolodex of different specialties of personal injury that I will refer clients to. I don't dabble. I do one thing. If I need any other specialty, we're sending it out. But I know who the best people are because I work in this field. If you don't have one of those two things, now you're stuck with the internet. You don't want to go from TV. You don't want to go on billboards or whoever, bought the clock at your local ballpark. But you want to be looking at reviews. And I always tell people when I'm giving consults, what you're looking for in reviews isn't who has the most 5-star reviews. The first thing I would do is I would flip the reviews for the firm you're looking at to the most negative ones first and read why they're negative. And if you think they're reasonable, move on. The other thing you're looking for is if you've moved past that, you go into the positive reviews. Look for names of lawyers specifically or staff members that person interacted with. And all the advice Kyla gave is excellent. You should be talking to the lawyer. You should be meeting with the lawyer. You should get to know them because communication is the next step, right? Once you've gotten past all of the fake reviews and the fake internet stuff that's out there, now you need to know, are you a good fit for this lawyer? And is that lawyer a good fit for you? Because that's going to be a relationship that could be 1, 2, 3, 5 years. You have to get along with that person. You have to be able to trust that person. You have to be able to communicate with them.